Hey traders, Andrew Keen from AlphaShark.com. I'm going to look at today at the S&P 500 futures because I think we're stuck in a range here, and I don't know if we're going to break higher. There's been so many bad news in the last couple of weeks, and the market continues to go higher. So we see oil selling off today. We look at oil here down $1, and what we look at here when I look at the Ichimoku cloud, the first thing I always look at is it above or below the cloud. Okay, so above the cloud as a generalization is bullish. Let me go to my arrow. In the cloud is neutral and below the cloud is bearish. So we see that the market is actually, above the cloud. However, we see that 90 and 26 period moving average, which is actually under. So it's above the cloud, and then it's right on the 9 and 26 period moving average, trading exactly where it was traded 26 periods ago, and the future cloud's really neutral. So we've had a lot of bad news. Apple selling off all the way to $92. Oil selling off really, really hard. We see X, Freeport, Rio, BHP all selling off really, really hard. But the market still is holding up decently strong. So you know what I think? I think the market wants to go higher. I put on a short position in Whole Foods and a long position in XRT, which is kind of scratching each other. I think we can get through the highs of 2100. I just don't see this downside momentum that you would see, if the market was to sell off. So this is Andrew Keen from AlphaShark.com. Really, really neutral here. Have a lot of money in cash right now, but I'm slightly leaning to the long side. 60-40, I think we take out the highs here before we get down to 2000 in the S&P 500. Xander Keen from AlphaShark.com, and this is why I'm bullish. Another thing I keep an eye on, look at the VIX, 1460. If there's any uncertainty, the VIX would be trading closer to 17, 18. The median average for the VIX is 20, so just keep an eye on that. Thanks, guys, and run it back tomorrow.